Hi, it's Michelle with the Singing Baker, and today I have another fun appetizer for you. We are in October now, so I'm going to be doing a fun spooky appetizer today, and these are some Halloween deviled eggs. Okay, so I'm going to be getting started. Make sure you take a snapshot to the side here for your ingredients. We only have about 6 or so ingredients today, so this does come together pretty quickly. We have about 4 to 6 eggs. We have an avocado, sesame seeds. If you can get black sesame seeds, that's perfect, already colored for you. If not, you can get white sesame seeds and then color them with black food gel. And then our last 2 ingredients are salt and pepper. So what I'm going to be doing first is, you'll see I will get a pot on the stove and I'm going to be boiling off my eggs. After that, I will plunge my eggs that are cooked into an ice bath to stop the cooking process and then get them chilled. And then we're going to have some fun with coloring them. What you'll see is I will then take my chilled eggs, put them in a bowl that I have colored with black food gel and the water mixed, and I'm basically going to crack my eggs. I'm not going to peel them yet. I'm just going to do some cracks with like a spoon and just make little cracks throughout the eggs and then dunk them in, and then we're going to soak that for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then you'll see when we take the eggs off it has a really cool like veined effect on the outside. So keep watching and we're going to have some fun today. So my eggs have chilled for a little bit, and as you probably saw from the previous clip, look at this really cool veined effect that you get. And that's really just from cracking the egg just a little bit here and there and then soaking them in that water. It almost looks like purple, purplish black. So there's some really cool effects on all of them. So basically, I'm just going to slice all of my eggs down the middle. We're going to slice it lengthwise. I'm going to go ahead and do all of these. I did 6 today, so we'll basically have 12 halves. This is an easy recipe that if you want to double it, you can, depending on how many guests that you're having. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, make sure you subscribe below. That way when you are on YouTube and I post a new video, you'll get an alert. Okay. Alright. Then basically I'm just going to scoop out the yolks into a bowl here, and then I'll also open up my avocado, and I'm going to add the avocado in this bowl as well, and then just mix it up really good, and then season it with salt and pepper. And then basically at the end we're going to take this mixture and then fill all of our eggs again, and then we'll be ready to go. So I'll just continue this process until I finish. Oh, and one last step. What I do at the very end is I just sprinkled it with the sesame seeds. So like I said before, I struggle a little bit trying to find black sesame seeds at the store. So a lot of times I'm just coloring it myself. So I just colored it myself. Another addition that you can put on the top are maybe some poppy seeds. So, but the nice little black speckles give it a nice look. So I'm going to go ahead and continue, and then you'll see at the end what it looks like. So here we have our Halloween deviled eggs. You saw how fast that was to put together. So I hope you try this one and add it to your table this Halloween. Take care. See you next time.